Good morning, teacher and friends. Today I'm going to recite a poem name. I went to the fridge. I opened the door. There are on the shelves. Inside I saw 10 fish fingers, 9 strawberry yogurts, 8 beef burgers, 7 slices of ham, 6 large eggs, 5 cold sausages, 4 chunks of cheese, 3 bottles of milk, 2 cans of Coke, and a big bowl of black cotton jelly. Yum, yum, yum. That's good. Thank you.